Hey, Chris here for UNDOR. Today we're going to talk about using adhesives rather than a drill bit to install your UNDOR units. We've had a lot of inquiries recently from people asking about bonding their units down to the floor rather than drilling. And in some cases, people have what's called a post-tension floor, which means you cannot drill into the floor at all. So they're looking for an alternative. So we've been doing a bunch of rudimentary tests in my garage here. And this is in the cold Canadian climate. It's the middle of winter still. And so we're going to take you through all the different products we've used. We've had some that failed, which we thought we would have. We've had several that work very well, and we want to tell you all about them. Okay, so we'll start with the ones that didn't work for us. One of the products I tried that I was hoping would do the job are these heavy-duty bonding tapes that are now available. One of the brands is Gorilla Tape. The other is Scotch Extreme, which I have in my hand here. They're both very good products for their intended uses, but trying to apply them and hold on to the back of our part just didn't work. They failed after less than a day of being in the cold environment. And then we've also tried a very common product that you're probably aware of called PL Premium. This is an excellent outdoor adhesive, but again, it did not work in this situation. Another one that I tried that is a little more consumer friendly, because it comes in a nice little squeeze tube, is Quick Seal Ultra from DAP. It's a siliconized latex. It worked for a while, but it did fail within a day. So on to the two products that have worked very well for us. I'm going to show you two different products. JB Weld makes an entire series of really good adhesives that are useful for plastics. This would be considered a very permanent bond. You need to understand that once you put this down, if you've done it correctly, it is not going to come back off easily. You'll probably destroy your UNDOR units trying to get them off. But if you're looking for a permanent solution, this 1-minute weld product from JB, you simply apply it as per the instructions. You clean the floor first, and in 1 minute, it's basically set, and in 15 minutes, it's cured in normal conditions. So it's very convenient to use, and it sticks really well. The other one that is a little less aggressive version, which is maybe a little bit more removable if for some reason you felt in a year or two you wanted to take the unit up and not have to do a lot of grinding or scraping on the concrete to get rid of the adhesive. There are a lot of really good silicone-based adhesives now, and so when you go to the store, this is one brand. This is a GE Silicone Advanced that they call, and it's an adhesive sealant, so it's a little bit of both, and it's quite strong. The beauty of it is that you'll be able to pry that part off and not really have any surface damage to the concrete that you'll have to clean. You may have to just scrape it a bit with a paint scraper. So just a quick note on how to apply the adhesive to the part. Just be very careful to make sure that you apply the adhesive in the center area of the part, and do not allow any of it to get near the slide mechanism on either side of the part for obvious reasons. The other thing to note is you've really got to clean the floor properly before you start this process, and then of course follow the manufacturer's instructions on the product that you're going to use. So just wanted to say thanks once again for all of your support and for ordering UNDOR from us. We love your feedback. We'd be very happy to answer any questions you may have. Just reach out to us. We'll get back to you within a day if we can, and we hope you're enjoying your UNDOR units.